23 has been found on index number 6. Target 3 is found at index number 0. And 31 is our searching element. 31 is found at index number 8. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to cover binary search. What is a binary search? Binary search works only a sorted array. This is the condition of binary search, that array must be in sorted condition. The time complexity of binary search is log base 2n is there. For example, you have 1024 elements in a list. Then how many comparisons are required? You need only 10 comparison. You need only 10 comparison to search an element. This is I'm talking about worst case. You cannot have more than 10 comparison to find a key, find an element from the list of 1024 elements. Same way, if you have 1 million element, how much I have written? I have written this one is 1 million elements. How many maximum comparison need? They need only 20 comparison. Within 20 comparison, it will give you result whether key has been found or not. That's why this is comparison, because this time complexity is log base 2n is there. I have given one example. For example, this is sorted array 3, 7, 9, 12, 15, 18, 23, 27 and 31 are there. And then index number start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one is 8. It means low is 0. This is low is at this place and high is at this place. Okay. Mean this is low arrow and this one is the high arrow. And you want to find the target element is 23. Okay, you want to find 23 from this list using the binary search. Low is at 0, low is at 0 and high is at 8, and you are going to be calculate mid value. How you will find mid? Mid equal to 0, mean low plus high, 0 plus 8 divided by 2, you will get 4. And now you will search, you will see on index number 4. Mid will exist on index number 4. Mid is on 15. Now it will compare mid element with the searching element A4. A4 contains 15. Okay, they will compare with 23 because your target element is 23. You want to search a key that is 23. What happened? 15 is less than 23. If yes, then you will go to right side. Okay, if 15 is less than 23, it means our key should be existed on the right side. Okay, then we will move to the right side. Now what you will do, if now I know that my existing key, my key will be exist on the right side, then what I will do, I will ignore this all the elements. This array will be ignored. Okay, and low will be changed. Okay, now low will be lie on index number 5 and high is still on index number 8. Okay, low is on 5 and high is on 31. Okay, 31 means element is 31 but index is 8. Okay, and the element is 31 but index is 8. Okay, now they will again calculate the mid value. Why they ignore? Because 15 is less than 23. Now I'm going to calculate a mid value. As you know that low is 5 and high is on 8. 8, then 5 plus 8, 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2, answer is 6.5. Answer is 6.5, but due to this floor says that you will get the only 6 value, lowest value, floor value, that will be 6. Now mid will be exist on index number 6. This is index number 6 and they are finding that they will compare that element in on index number 6 is 23. They will compare with the searching key that is also 23. Then we can say that this has been found on index number 6. How many comparison they did? They did only 2 comparison right now. Okay. Now I can say that 23 has been found on index number 6. Let's take another example. Target equal to 3. I'm going to find this element that is a first element. Okay, how they will work on it? Again, they will start from low is 0. This is low is 0 and high is on 8. They will calculate the mid value of low and high and divided by 2. In this way, low is on 0 and high is on 8. 0 plus 8 divided by 2 and mid will be on index number 4. Index number 4 element is 15. They will check that 15 with 3. 15 is greater than 3. If 15 is greater than 3, then you will go to the left side. Okay. And then right side, all this ignore. This array will be ignore. Okay. And no high will be changed. Low keep the same position. Now in this case, ignore right half. They have ignored right half. Now new value of high will become 3 and low still on index number 0. Now they will again calculate the mid value and then they will compare the searching value with the mid element. Now low is on 0 and high is on 3. 0 plus 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. Answer will be 1 by actually 3 over 2. This is floor value. Means 3 over 2 means 1.5. Floor value, taking the floor, you will take only 1. Okay. Mid will be on index number 1. Okay. They will calculate mid is, this is mid. Okay. They will calculate a of 1 equal to a of 1 element equal to 7. Mean index number 1 is 7 and they will compare with the 3. 7 is greater than 3. Yes, then you can go to left again. Now in this case, all these elements are ignored and now low is still on 0 position and high is on 0 position. Index number 0. Both have 0. 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Answer is 0. Mid will be on 0. They will compare 3 with the target element and our target element or searching element is also 3. So we can say that target 3 is found at index number 0. Now we are taking another example, that is key equal to last element, that is target element is 31, means searching element is 31. Now we'll start from beginning, that is high will be on index number 8 and low will be on index number 0. In the same way, we will calculate the mid value and then compare the mid element, and if the mid value element is lesser than the searching element, then we will go to the right side, and if mid element is greater than searching element, then we will move to the left side. By compute mid and compare, you can see that low is on index number 0 and high is on index number 8. Okay, 0 and 8, 0 plus 8 divided by 2, answer is 4. Your mid will be on index number 4, and 4 contains the 15. As I told you, if the mid value is lesser than the searching value, then you will go to the right side. A of 4 equal to 15, then it will compare with 31. 15 is less than 31, then you will go to the right side. Okay, this all gray color elements are ignored, and low index will be changed. Now low will be reaching on index number 5, and high is still on same index, that is index number 8. Okay, now again I will calculate the mid value. Mid value of low and high mean 5 plus 8. Okay, 5 plus 8 divided by 2, 8 plus 5 mean 13. 13 divided by 2, answer will be 6.5, but due to floor I will get only 6. Okay, no, on 6 index element is 23, and I will check that 23 is lesser than 31, then again I will go to the right side. Next, low is on index number 7 and high is on index number 8. Mean index number 7 and index number 8. 7 plus 8, 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2, taking the floor, you will get 7.5, but due to floor you will get 7. Index will be on 7. Okay, now they will check that say A of 7 equal to 27 contains means 7th index contain the 27th element with, and it will compare with 31. They will check that 27 is lesser than 31, then again you will go to the right side. Now low value will be changed and high value still same. Low and high will reaching on the same position. Okay, 8 plus 8 divided by 2, 16 divided by 2, 8. 16 divided by 2, you will get 8. And now they will find the mid on index number 8, 31, and 31 is our searching element. So we can say that 31 is found at index number 8.